How to fix Flash not working on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Flash not working on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if your Snapchat's Flash is not working, when you try to open up your Flash, when you try to take your snap but it does not work, this is what you do. First step, go back of your Snapchat. Then head over to your background apps. Just remove it from your background apps. After you do that, head over to your settings. Open up your settings. And on your settings, search for General. Scroll down till you find General and tap on it. After you tap on it, scroll down. And there you should find an option called iPhone Storage. Tap on iPhone Storage. And after you do that, search for Snapchat. So there we go, it's right there. Open Snapchat up. There you'll see an option to offload app. Tap on offload app and then offload your app. After you offload your app, there you will get an option to reinstall the app. Reinstall the app and then just go back to Snapchat and open up your Flash. And it should work. And that's how you fix Flash not working on Snapchat. Thanks for watching guys, that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.